Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bree. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. Okay, it's really not my everyday makeup routine because I don't wear makeup every day. I honestly hardly ever wear makeup. But if I were to do like a no makeup type of look, this is exactly what I would probably do. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, okay, starting with the clean face, I am going to be using my e.l.f. hydrating face primer, and I'm just going to use one pump of this, mainly focusing it on my T-zone because that's where I'm going to be applying my concealer and stuff. After I focus it mainly on my T-zone, I'm going to kind of spread it everywhere else on my face. And then I'm going to be taking my Tarte concealer and my Maybelline concealer. I believe my Tarte concealer is in the shade medium and my Maybelline concealer is in the shade sand, beige, something like that. 20. I think that's the number 20. And I'm going to be using the medium concealer kind of everywhere that needs to be covered up, like that pimple that's right there and under my eyes, and just places that I get a little bit more red, like around my nose. And then after I apply the Tarte concealer, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline concealer and really just putting it underneath my eyes and on the parts around my nose, just so it can lighten up a little bit and not be the same color as the rest of my face. I'm going to be taking this brush from Morphe, and it's like a really round, fluffy, smaller brush, and I'm just going to be using it to blend out my concealer. And I'm using like really light pressure when I'm like swirling my brush, you know, but then I'm like tapping it also into my skin. I'm trying to keep the concealer where it is. And then I'm going to be taking this NYX highlighter. I've had it for so long. Honestly, it's probably expired like a couple years ago. I'm using a random Morphe brush that probably shouldn't be used for highlighter, but I'm going to use it anyway. And then I'm going to just, tap it onto my skin and then tap it using a different side of the brush and just blend it out. You could also use your fingers if you want, but my hands are sweaty, so I don't do that. Next, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Powder Foundation in the shade 235. And I'm just going to use the same brush that I was using for my concealer. And I'm just going to swirl it into the foundation. And then I'm going to tap all the areas that I applied my concealer just so, it stays in place and it is set. This foundation is pretty close to my actual skin color, so it works perfect. Next, I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer. I really need to get a new one. As you can see, I am at the very last bit of it. And then I'm just going to be bronzing up my face. Not too heavy bronzing. It's just, just to bring some color to my face, make it all a little bit more even. I'm going to be bronzing all the places I normally would. My cheeks, my forehead, and the sides of my nose just slightly, so my nose is not just plain and light. Here's a little side view. And now I'm going to be taking this I think it's Sugar Cosmetics blush. I don't even know. I think it's Sugar. I really love this color. I think I got it in my Ipsy bag one time. Don't remember when, but it's super nice. Next, I'm just going to set my face with this e.l.f. Makeup and Mist, I believe is what it's called. So I'm going to just use my Sugar eyebrow pencil, the same brand of the blush. I was going to say brush, but blush. And I'm just going to kind of speed over this just because it's my eyebrows and it's going to take kind of long. If you guys want me to do like an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, even though my eyebrows are trash, I could definitely do it. Probably will do it anyway. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, guys. I'm going to use the blush and the bronzer. I'm going to take the bronzer and put that all into my crease. Overall, this whole process was only like 15 minutes. I think if I wasn't filming, it could have been a lot faster. And then I'm going to take the blush on the same brush, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. This is just going to bring the look a little bit more together, make it look more cohesive. Like, I am wearing makeup, but not a lot of makeup. And then after that, I'm going to spray my face one more time, just because I honestly love to set my face, because it really does help settle all the makeup into your skin and make it look a lot more natural. And then I'm going to finish with using this L'Oreal mascara. It's not my favorite mascara, but it's the one I'm using right now. And then I fixed my hair because it was looking like trash. And then I'm going to finish with my lips, and I'm going to take this MAC lip pencil, and I think it's the shade Subculture. I think that's the shade that matches my lip color the most. And then I'm going to take this, I think it's a Maybelline lip gloss. Well, that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you stayed this long, thank you so much. But you should go follow me on all of my social medias. It will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you will not miss any of my new videos, because I have a lot of content in my head, but I just have to film it. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.